Hey y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. Those that are new here, welcome. Come on in because I got a whole bunch of space for you, okay? Because this is a place where I do my hair, a little bit of beauty, you know, some product reviews, and I basically just pull myself together, right? And those who are returning that come to see me regularly, I thank you and I appreciate you. And so today we're going to get into a little something with this hair, okay? So today I created a multi-size cornrow box braid type of hairstyle. And if you want to see how, you know, I created this whole thing, be sure to stay tuned. So I washed my hair like 2 days ago. After I washed it, I was tired, so I braided it up, you know, smoothed it back and wore it in a ponytail at work until I was ready to style it. So I had just kind of like this, went to work, mind my business, and now we're here ready to style it. So let's get started. Since I just wore a twist, I gave my hair a little bit of rest. I think I'm gonna do some braids, last a little bit longer. I make a little more time out of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these front braids out first. I think that's where I'm gonna start with the style. And I think I'm gonna take this one out too, just so I can refine my parts and to determine, I guess, how far back I want like this front back style to go. So my hair is dry, and so I just want to dampen it a little bit so, you know, my hair will be easier to part and I won't, you know, have too many snap crackle pops when I'm trying to, like, you know, separate this braid out a little bit. So I just finished off dampening my hair, and now I'm gonna part my hair, section it off from ear to ear to create like the front back vibe I was going for. So now I have everything all parted off. I just went like from ear to ear around, and now we're just gonna establish, you know, the parts of our braids. So here I am setting the foundation for the style. My first braid, which is gonna be right above my ear. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pre-part so I can just have an idea, you know, have everything parted out, and then just kind of really see the style form in real time without it actually being done. So here I'm going in for my second braid, and this braid is a lot smaller. Like I said, it's a multi-size cornrow tutorial, okay? And then here I am going in for the third. So this braid is gonna be a little bit chunkier than the second, so I can create that multi-size and just that texture and vibe I was looking for. And then here I am parting my hair right down the middle for a nice small braid to continue with the, you know, little jazziness of these cornrows. I'm gonna go back and make the parts a lot neater and more refined. Right now I'm just trying to get a good base of the style. So now that we have all these parts established, now we just have to neaten them up a bit and start braiding. So here I am, y'all, about to go in with some Shiny Jam just to make sure I define my part line. I want to make sure I like the actual part, and then just to add a little more sleeking product to my hair before I begin to cornrow. And so since I was cornrowing my hair, I just wanted to dampen like the free hair that was actually going to be braided, just to make sure that it would slip past, you know, the other hairs and won't get all tangled up. Then I went ahead and detangled my hair with my easy detangler brush just to make sure everything was ready to go before I began the braiding process. And then I layered on a little bit of curl activator cream because, you know, that's my moisturizer, that is my jam. I wanted to make sure that it was all coated all through my hair, nice and worked in. I went in with my brush one more time just to make sure we were ready so these cornrows can set off without any issue. And then here I am, just beginning that first cornrow, setting up this style. All right, here I am finishing up that cornrow, about to head onto the free ends of my hair. And then with these free ends, I always like to detangle it because even if you try your hardest, when you cornrow, those free ends are going to get a little bit tangled up. The hair is going to get mixed up. So here I am just braiding that free edge all the way down, making sure the hairs are nice and smooth to create that nice smooth braid y'all see right there. And then when I got down to the end, I added a little curl activator cream to my ends just so I can make my little end pop, have that banging curl y'all see. All right, here I am going in for that second braid, the real tiny one, and you can see like the little multi-size vibe I was going for, that little texture change. And then I went in with a little more curl activated cream on this particular end just to make that curl pop. And then boom, here we're on the third one, that third braid that's kind of chunky, coming in hot with a little more curl activated cream just so we can do what? Make that curl pop. And every size braid that I did on the left side of my head, I went ahead and did the same thing on the right side of my head. And I'm going ahead and finishing this braid off, coming in hot with some curl activated cream so we can make that curl pop. And now we're on the back side of my head. Remember I had those other braids in, I went ahead and just took those out. And I decided to part my hair straight across. Trying to just keep it real simple here with these box braids. Split it right down the middle, and that first row is going to have 2 box braids. So when you're doing your box braids, you want to make sure that the 3 hairs that you're going to use, like the 3 sections, are really equal to make a nice consistent braid all the way down. And as you see that I'm braiding here, I'm trying to keep the hair nice and taut so we won't have any flyaways or twisted hair. So everything just look real good. And here I am going in with the second braid on that row. Alright, I went on up to the second row. This row had 4 box braids, and as you can see, I tried to make windows. I just didn't want all the braids to lay on top of each other. I wanted just that variety. And the next row up, I went in with 4 more. You can see it's kind of windowed here, and that top row that I'm working on, that one has 3 box braids. Now, you know we gotta get them edges straight now. We gotta lay them edges. Then I went in with a little bit of styling foam, just so we can get those flyaways to make sure everything lays down nice and smooth. And I made sure I got the free braids as well, so those flyaways can just disappear as well. Alright, then you're gonna go in with your scarf, because we gotta set the style. We gotta make sure everything dries before we reveal, okay? We gotta make sure everything is laid down in order before we go out and let the world see what we done, okay? Y'all ready? Y'all know y'all see that. Wait a minute. Look how crisp that look. Look at that side. Look at that shine. Okay, look at those box braids. Simple, quick, and easy. Y'all, do y'all see it? Do y'all see it? And look at like the texture that I was able to create with the different sizes of braid. It's like, yes. The hair ancestors looked out again. I'm telling y'all. Tell me that this did not turn out cute. Go ahead and leave it down in the comment section below and let me know how cute it is, right? And if you enjoyed this tutorial, as much as I enjoyed doing it for you guys, go ahead and like this video, okay? Like I said, comment down below and let me know what you think. Now, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead. Come on, join the family. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.